Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you, and always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrant! Wow!
Ay, Lolo Sean, happy birthday. Patanda ka ng patanda. Charot. Happy birthday, Lolo Sean. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. Your kindness, strength, and warm heart have always made you one of a kind. Thank you for being a constant source of love and encouragement. May your day be filled with laughter, your years with blessings, and your life with all the joy you bring to others. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Sean. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to my amazing brother. Joke lang. Happiest birthday, Kuya Sean, and I wish you all the best, and I hope this special day brings you all the joy and happiness you deserve. Always remember how incredible you are, and may your year ahead be filled with love, laughter, and blessings. Love ya!
Hi, Sean. Happy birthday sa'yo. I just want to wish you all the best on your special day. Sana maging masaya ka today at ma-enjoy mo ang bawat moment kasama ang mga taong mahal mo. I pray na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng good health, more blessing at success. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, sana matupad lahat ng dreams mo. At syempre, sana mas lalo pang tumibay ang relasyon nyo ni Raven. Wishing you both more love, happiness, and maraming memories na pagsasaluhan. Enjoy your birthday, Sean. Happy birthday. God bless you always. From Chas.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. Thank you po for treating me like a real sister. Kahit malayo man tayo, hope this year goes smooth and hindi masyadong nakakapagod. Stay safe always and lots of blessings. And I hope you get all the simple happiness you deserve. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, Kuya. I love you, Kuya Sean.
Hello, Daddy Sean. This is your unclaimed daughter Ruby, and I just wanted to say happy birthday, and I wish you a good and long, healthy life. To more gastos here on We Play, and ano pa? Sana makuha mo ang Destiny Chosen sa ngayong sa ngayon na birthday mo. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. May your life be filled with laughter, health, and success. Sana more DC, talpak, gastos, and kalaswaan to come. And sana hindi ka na rin binibitin ni Ate Raven. Ayun, enjoy your day and happy birthday ulit.
Hi happy 31st birthday nga pala sa'yo. Hiling ko lang na sana, ano ba? Hindi ko alam. Sige, okay na yun. Happy birthday na lang sa'yo. Hey happy 31st birthday nga pala sa'yo. Hiling ko lang na sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. At sana gumanda love life mo. Siyempre, gaganda lang yan pag si Ate Raven kasama mo. Wow! Yun lang, happy birthday. God bless. Hey happy 31st birthday nga pala sa'yo. Ang hiling ko lang, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo at sana magkita na kayo ni Ate Raven. At, alam mo na. Yun lang, happy birthday. God bless, boy.
Happy birthday, Tito Sean. First of all, thank you so much for being a friend, Tito, and a father inside and outside of the family. And thank you so much, Tito Sean, dahil nandiyan ka always para mag-fix ng problems inside the family and outside the family again. And yan lang masasabi ko, Tito Sean, hindi ko na papahabain. And happy birthday. Make your special day and have a happiest memory ever. I wish your good luck and best day ever. Happy birthday ulit again, Tito Sean.
Hi, question. Happy birthday po. God bless at enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. At dahil dyan, meron kang muamua kay Ate Raven. Yun lang.
Hi, Dade. Happy birthday. May your life be filled with health, happiness, and peace. God bless you. More birthdays to come.
Hi, Dade. Happy birthday po. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kasi lagi kayong nandyan ng mami tuwing nagrarant ako. Hindi kayo nagsasawang makinig sa mga dramas ko. And magbigay ng advice sa akin na kahit minsan, ay hindi pala, lagi-lagi ata. Paulit-ulit na lang ako and wala eh. Ako ata yung anak ninyong pinakamatigas ang ulo. De, joke lang. Pero sobrang na-appreciate ko po lahat ng yun. Lalo na sa mga panahong, alam mo na, magulo ang isip ng iyong anak. Ayan. At higit sa lahat, Dade, thank you po sa pagtanggap sa amin bilang mga anak mo po dito. And hindi man po tayo tunay na pamilya, ramdam naman po namin yung care po ninyo sa amin. And thank you, Dade. Love ka po namin ng mga anak mo. Wish ko lang po sa'yo, Daddy, good health. Tapos, happiness always. And more blessings pa po. Ayan. Kung lagi po kayong nandyan para sa amin ng mga anak mo, lagi niyo pong tandaan na kami din po ay laging nandito para sa inyo. Panay tawa na ata itong message ko sa'yo, de. Ayun, enjoy your enjoy your day, Dade. Deserve mo lahat ng saya. We love you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dade Pogi! Yeah. Wish you all the best. And kilala mo naman siguro kung sino ako. Happy birthday ulit, Mama.
Hi, Daddy Sean. It's me, Kit Kat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy Sean. Ayun. Thank you. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Magdadrama. Hindi, happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you kasi tinanggap niyo agad ako kahit ngayon niyo pa lang ako nakilala bilang anak. Tinanggap ba talaga? Hindi, thank you, Daddy Sean. Enjoy your day and more memories with us. Ano ba? Basta yun na yun, Daddy Sean. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, song. Joke, happy birthday. Tandaan mo lagi, andito kami pag may pub ka. Wala mo naman kung kano kanila mahal, lalo na sa Raven. Basta enjoy your day lang. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sean. My wish for you is to always stay happy. And I hope our friendship lasts for many more years. And I'm truly thankful that we have someone like you sa circle of friends natin. And also, a person who brings peace instead of conflicts. Whenever there is a misunderstanding, you're always someone who help keep things calm. Kesa palakihin pa yung gulo, nagdadagdag pa ng misunderstanding sa iba. And I hope we continue to share happy memories together. May God always watch over you and also bless you with good health, guide you in everything you do, and grant the desire of your heart. Keep being the kind, genuine, and peaceful person that you are. Have an amazing birthday. You deserve all the happiness in the world. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tito Sean. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mahal na mahal ka ng buong exile, okay? Enjoy mo tong araw na to. Minsan lang sa isang taon to. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, Tito Sean. Where's my chubby boy?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Sean. Happy birthday. I hope you have a fantastic day filled with celebration. And wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope it's a great one. Cheers to another year. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Sean. Tiguang na jud ka. Ano jud ang kinabuhi nato. Maniguang jud ha. Ikaw rin din na tiguang. Okay, so bye-bye. Sorry na kay nabisi jud ko. Daghan jud ko gibuhat karon.
Shawnee! Char. Hi, Shawnee. Happy birthday to you. Di ko alam na birthday mo na bukas Buti na lang, inano sa akin ng bebe mo Well, ayun. Stay healthy. And sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto ko. Char. So, ayun lang. Enjoy your day. And I hope na kayo na talaga ni Raven. Ang effort niya, no? Nagano pa siya ng ganito for you, diba? Sana all. But, ayun. Happy birthday again.
To my favorite person, my pre. Happy birthday, pare ko. Thank you for being my kaaningan buddy. Praying you more blessings and good health. I'm always excited to make more memories with you. Not just in virtual, but soon in real life. Lagi mong tatandaan, pre, na lagi kong na-appreciate lahat ng efforts mo. Small or big, I'll treasure it. Antay lang po tayo sa perfect timing. Mayayakap din natin ang isa't isa. Pag nagkita tayo, papisil ako ha. Papisil ako sa pisngi mong may dimple. I love you so much po. Paisa na rin ako mamaya. Paisang mama na may tunog. Mwah!